Welcome back, guys, CryptoFly channel. Today we'd like to talk about three drives pattern. Let's dive in. Guys, in many videos, I always talk about we formed the three drives pattern. It can be the bullish or bearish. And today I want to show you how it looks like in the theory and show you the two examples, the bearish one and the bullish one on different time frames. So it's a pretty simple pattern which formed so often on different time frames, always like three waves. Let's call it a wave. So if we talk about uptrend, it looks like impulse, correction. Correction can be by FIB to 0.5 level by FIB or to 60, 78 or 61, it's totally another story. We formed another wave, sweep the high. Usually it's just the wicks. So we just sweep liquidity, drop it again, and form the third wave. After that, we crash or immediately, or it can be the breaker, basic downtrend structure. But what you have to pay attention when you try to find this on the charts. First one, it's the time frames. Of course, if you trade intraday and you see that three drives pattern on 50-minute time frame, maybe on 4-hour time frame, it's still a lot of room for continuation of the uptrend or the downtrend. So you have to work with that time frame and open position on that time frame would it work at current moment. Next one, it's the liquidity pools. So we have to all the time sweep the liquidity. Sweep. Third one should test some by wicks or by body candles. The third top should test also some K level. It can be usually lower high or higher high or all-time high. It can be the lower low, lower high, and favorable gaps. Third wave should hit and test and get reaction at some K level. In this way, it will be the valid three drives pattern. How it looks like on chart. This is a lockup. So for example, we form the low. So it was a format that historical low bounce. It's a 12-hour time frame. Drop it back, form the echo lows. We can or form the echo lows and continue rally higher, but we start form the three drives pattern. We sweep this one, but not main liquidity pool. Bounce, sweep first and main liquidity pool. Drop, bounce, and form the third one. So basically, just 2 days ago, we formed the third wave. At this moment, this three drives pattern on 12-hour time frame valid. But the problem is we have to confirm it. We have to break the structure, this one, and going higher. Because if we will form something like this one and sweep again, it will be invalidation of three drives pattern on 12-hour time frame, and we need to check the higher time frame, like daily and the weekly. On the Loka example, under is just open space. There is no K level, no history. We now at current moment at all-time low. This is on 12-hour time frame and it's basically bullish one. Take a look example on the Jasmine. On the higher time frame and the higher time frame, the stronger reaction. This is a weekly time frame. So we consolidate long-term period in accumulation zone. Form the first impulse. First wave, correction. Second one, correction. Third one, and crash. Why it's happened and why we stop it exactly here? Because 1, 2, 3 waves. And take a look. If we go to the monthly time frame, we form the perfect test till penny, 78 level by FIB of gap. Monthly gap. It was a logical entry on weekly time frame, three drives pattern to open short position. Guys, I hope you like this video. Just in educational purpose, I highly recommend you use the reply bar on TradingView and track, find some patterns like confirmation, take a look how it's playing out on different time frames, different assets. So you will remember this pattern for the future. Subscribe channel. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.